Given its rich history and dynamic culture, the Asia-Pacific region remains to be one of the most important in the world. And our university prides itself in producing professionals in order to understand its development and future. Welcome to Thammasat University, Masters of Arts in Asia-Pacific Studies. The program is a multidisciplinary graduate degree for specific area studies in the Asia-Pacific region with a special focus on international economics, international relations, and international law. Truly a program that is perfect for those who wish to obtain an in-depth understanding of this fascinating and occasionally turbulent part of the world. And the MAPS program brings you all of just that through a culturally diverse classroom environment complemented with its competent faculty.
This is where we get access to a variety of resources and facilities to research about economics, politics, international relations, law, and regional security, so we can know what's really going on in Asia Pacific.
Moreover, learning doesn't stop there. In our university, fun and activities is no stranger. So that's it here in the MAPS program. Thank you very much and maraming salamat po.
Matur nuwun.
Matur suksma.
Terima kasih.
Okay.
Ini semangatnya.
Cảm ơn. Terima kasih.
Okun. Arigato.
Konnichiwa.
谢谢。
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ถ้าได้สนใจอยากสอบถามรายละเอียดข้อมูลเพิ่มเติมนะคะมาเจอกับพวกเราได้ที่ห้อง Asia Pacific Resource Center ชั้น 1 ตึกอาคารเรียนรวม SC ค่ะ หรือว่าสามารถไปที่เว็บไซต์ของเราก็ได้ที่ www.maps-tu.org ค่ะ หรือว่ารายละเอียดต่างๆเพิ่มเติมเบอร์โทร